This is the Hitway electrical folding e-bike, and it's the most comfortable e-bike out there, and here's why. Hey, what's up everyone, Zeno here. If you've been following the channel lately, you might have noticed we've been reviewing a few electrical e-bikes. As we dive deeper into tech products, I think these newer e-bikes are a perfect fit for our tech channel. So today we're taking a closer look at what might just be one of the most comfortable folding electrical e-bikes of 2024, the Hitway BK6S. Now before we dive in, I just want to give a quick shout out to Hitway for sending me this product. While they're not paying me for this review, I do get to keep this awesome e-bike and I'm grateful for that. So whether you love biking or you're just curious about electrical bikes, stick around, this is going to be a fun ride. Okay, let me start with a quick story. A few months ago, I was stuck in traffic, yet again, watching bikers zoom past me with their cool electrical e-bikes. That's when it hit me. Why am I wasting my time sitting in a car when I could be enjoying the open air, saving money, and getting a bit of exercise at the same time, if you know what I mean. So you might be wondering, why choose an electrical bike instead of a regular one? Well, electrical bikes like the Hitway BK6 make biking easier for everyone. Whether you're riding to work, going to steep hills, or just enjoying a ride in a park. For anyone wondering, we're in the beautiful IJsselstein, Utrecht. An electrical bike gives you that little extra help when you need it the most. And let's be honest, sometimes you don't want to show up somewhere all sweaty, right? The pedal assist on the Hitway lets you pick how much effort you want to put in, from full manual to a smooth, easy ride. From my experience, the Hitway has been a real game changer. I've been riding it for a few weeks. Whether it's zipping through city traffic or going off-road for some weekend fun, every ride has been smooth, easy, and I have to say, a lot of fun. The comfort level is amazing. Thanks to the great suspension and fat tires, it feels like you're riding on the clouds, even on bumpy roads. It has a nice suspension on my ass. Alright, let's dive in what makes the Hitway stand out from the crowd. Here are the key features that really sets it apart from other electrical bikes on the market. The frame of this bike is made from high quality aluminium alloy, giving it a great mix of strength and lightness. The designers have added strong weld at important spots and added extra plates where needed to make the frame even stronger. And just to show you, they've added plates here and here. This careful design makes the bike very durable and stable, even on tough rides. At the front of the frame, there are 4 pre-drilled holes where you can attach a front basket, giving you a handy place to store your daily essentials or shopping bags. It's a well-designed frame that offers durability and flexibility, making it great both for city commuting and off-road adventures. The bike has a 250-watt hub motor and a 36-volt 12-amp battery, giving it a top speed of 25 kilometers and a range up to 90 kilometers on one charge, depending on the terrain, rider's weight, and other factors. The battery is easy to remove, so you can charge it on or off the bike. It fully recharges in just 6 hours, so it's always ready when you are. Whether you're riding in the city or exploring new trails, the motor and the battery provides the power and flexibility you need. And did I mention how easy it is to use this bike? Let me show you. So all you have to do is put the key in here, and it's currently on off. If you want to take the battery out, you push the key in and switch to unlock. And now you can put the seat down and take the battery out. And the LCD will not work if it's switched on off or unlock. You have to switch it to on. And now it's on, so we can turn on the LCD. To turn on the LCD display, all you have to do is press and hold the power button, wait for it to power up. There you go. And you can press the plus button to get the assist turned up, or the minus button to go all the way to 0, and you'll have to do it full manual. To turn on the front and rear lights, you have to press and hold the plus button. And of course you have much more features here you can play around with. The 20x3-inch semi-fat tires are built for great stability and grip on all kinds of surfaces. They work well on smooth city streets and are also perfect for rough terrains like dirt trails, gravel paths, or even wet slippery areas. The extra size of the semi-fat tires adds to the bike's balance, while the air-filled design helps absorb shocks, making every ride smoother and more comfortable. The bike has a dual disc brake system that gives you a strong and reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. These brakes provide precise control, helping you stop quickly and safely. Whether you're going downhill, riding in the rain, or moving through traffic, having brakes on both wheels spread braking force evenly. We're just enjoying this ride. As you can see, we're still going 25. There's enough battery going on right there. I love those fat tires in front. As you can see, they're semi-fat. The Hitway has a high-quality suspension front fork that helps absorb shocks and vibrations from bumpy surfaces. And trust me, this works great. Let me show you. So you can check it out. This is working good. But what's even more special is that the seat has it too. This suspension system is great for smoothing out bumps, potholes, and rough grounds, giving you a much comfortable and controlled ride. Whether you're riding through city streets, going over rocky trails, or dealing with unexpected obstacles, the suspension front fork keeps your ride steady and reduces strain on your hands and arms. It's a feature that boosts both comfort and safety, giving you confidence to ride on any surface with ease. The Hitway comes with a Shimano 7-speed transmission system, giving you the flexibility to handle different riding conditions. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising on flat roads, the 7-speed gear system lets you easily switch gears to suit your style and the path you're on. Shimano is known for its smooth and reliable gear shifting, making every ride feel easy and enjoyable. This gear setup gives you the control to handle different slopes, managing your speed, and keep your pedaling comfortable throughout your ride. The e-bike has a multifunctional LCD display that gives you important information at a glance. It shows things like your current speed, battery level, distance traveled, and more, helping you keep track of your ride and plan your trips better. The display is very easy to use with clear readings, even in bright sunlight, so you can quickly check your stats while riding. Plus, the display lets you choose from 3 different pedal assist levels, so you can decide how much help you want from the motor. Whether you need a small boost for easy rides or full support on tough terrains, you can adjust the assist to match your needs, up to a speed of 25 km per hour, after which it stops assisting for safety. It's a smart and easy to use system that makes your ride more convenient and gives you more control. So yeah, that pedal assist is really amazing. It's unbelievable how much assist you're getting. It does have a limit to 25, but I'm sure if you try your best, you can even go higher. This bike has an incredible comfortable seat with built-in suspension. It might be one of the most comfortable seats I've ever tried. It also has a removable back seat, giving you more options from different kinds of rides. And let's not forget one of its best features. It's foldable. This makes it perfect for easy storage at home, in the office, or even in a small apartment. You can quickly fold it up and take it on public transport, like a bus or a train, or tucked away in your car trunk for weekend trips. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just trying to save space, how convenient is that? Now let's talk about the unboxing experience. Hitway really nailed it with the packaging. Everything is secure and well protected, which is great because you don't want your new toy to arrive damaged, right? In the box, you'll get the bike, a removable battery, battery charger, a 16-in-1 toolkit, super handy by the way, a bike lock, a pump, and even a spare key. They really thought about everything. Ah. 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 Woo. So if you're wondering whether you should buy it, here's my take. If you're looking for a well-designed, durable, and comfortable e-bike that delivers great performance for both city commuting and weekend adventures, the Hitway BK6S is definitely worth considering. With its powerful motor, adjustable pedal assist, sturdy frame, and features like a foldable design and a super comfortable seat, it offers a lot of value for its price. It's a fantastic option for anyone wanting a reliable e-bike that's both fun to ride and easy to use. Now let's take a look at where you can find this e-bike. I'll leave 2 links in the description, one for the EU and one for the US. In the EU, the price is $799.99 in euros. And in the US, it's $649.99 in US dollars. This bike comes in 4 colors, red, black, blue, or like mine, silver. So you let me know in the comment section if you bought one or if you have one already. So now we're gonna go up a hill. Let's see how that all turns out with this bike on level 3, yeah? And this is pretty high. would be difficult to do this just without any assist. And there you go, with no problem. I am about 105 kilos, so keep that in mind. I'm pretty heavy. The max load is 120 kilos. And that being said, we're on the bridge. And now we're going down. Let's go down. Whoa, 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 whoa. And we don't even need to do anything. No need for pedaling. There you go. That's it for today's review. I hope you found this helpful in deciding whether the Hitway BK6S is the right e-bike for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Until the next video, goodbye.